Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hampton Bay ceiling fan is working but the light is not turning on, it can be confusing because everything else seems perfectly fine. You might be able to control the fan speed, but the light either doesn't respond at all or suddenly stopped working. This issue is quite common and usually not a major problem. In many cases, it's caused by something simple like a faulty bulb, loose wiring, or a setting issue rather than a serious electrical fault. Since the fan and light operate on slightly different connections, one can work while the other doesn't. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Hampton-based ceiling fan light and get it working again. Step 1. Check the light bulb and replace it if necessary. Step 2. Turn off power and ensure the fixture is receiving electricity. Step 3. Tighten any loose connections in the light kit. Step 4. Use the remote or switch to toggle the light function properly. Step 5. Inspect the light kit for any visible damage. Step 6. Turn the power back on and test if the light works.